Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to set background image in HTML. On a web page we have different sections, different parts actually on our web page. For example, we have the header, we have the content part, we have the footer part. So what if we want to give a background image to a particular section? Say for example I want to give a background image to a header, then how I'm going to give that background image. So today we will learn this how to set the background image using CSS in HTML. So let's dive into the code. So firstly what I will do is I will create a header tag because in our scenario we want the background image for a header tag. So I've created a header tag here. Then I will create just a div here and I will give it some name like menu. So we have a header now, header element in our body tag. So we want a background image for this header. So we'll create a little style here. For example, I will create a style header. I will give width of 100%. Say I will give a height of maybe 300 pixel, and I will give a border with color red. So I will save this document, I will run this page. So currently you can see currently there is nothing in that header, it is just a empty header. We have the border here. So this is our header section. For demonstration purpose we have given the height as 300 pixels. So if I want a background image here within the header element, for that we have to use the background image property with the URL of the image. So this URL can be from an online website or it can be from your local website. So for demonstration purpose I am just using an online image directly. You can use a local image. So this is how you give the background image to the header. So I will save this HTML, I will run again in browser. So this is just a smiley image. So background image is currently applied to the header. So what is happening here is the background image actually is only the smile, but it is repeating itself. So if I open this image, see this is just the image actually, but here if we can see here it is repeating itself. The background image has been applied but it is repeating itself. So what we can do here is we can stop the repeat by giving by using the property background repeat, and we will use here no repeat. Currently it is repeating by default. We will modify this behavior by giving no repeat. I will save this HTML. I will again navigate to the browser. I will refresh the page. We can see here now it is not repeating. Why? Because we have given here background repeat as no repeat. Further, if we want this image to be centered here, we will do one thing. We will increase the height of this header to 400 pixel more height. So what I want is I want this background image to be centered here, to come in center. Currently it is on the top left corner. I want it in the center. So how I'm going to do it, I'm going to use a property as background position, and here I will enter a center. I will save the document and again I will navigate to the browser and run. So it is coming in the exact center of the header element. So this is how we can adjust the background image to different positions. Currently we have kept it in the center. So these are the three properties that we have learned today. First is the background image. Background image will display a background image in the header element. Second is background repeat, that will stop the image from repeating itself. Background position is for specifying the position where that image will be displayed. So we can see here now background image has been displayed right in the center of the header element. So today we will learn how to set the background image in HTML using CSS, and we will learn how to also make it centered and how to stop it repeating. So that's it for today's session. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.